know, some of these primitive habits that some of our political leaders have lived with for a long time, moving people around, hassling others and talking about this clan must be here and there. Let's stop these things. They are affecting the way in which our people live.
Thirikari kurutira ateti aria mangikorwo na mubango wa guthararia utari wa andu mukana.
Tunasikitika sana kwa kumpoteza kwa njia ambayo ni ya mkono wa mtu.
Mudirume umwe gwikio ngono mwena wa Mohoro kaunti-ini ya Naikuru thutha wa kumbuka niwe woragire mutumia wake ciumia hituku na kumuthika githaka-ini.
Urenge boya andu maitu especially abunge itu county assembly ni maborere na matige mbara nyingi cia kurumana kana kwagira andu aria mangike gitio.
Na gavana wa Kirinyaga Ani Waiguru kuria rugamiriria ward county-ini yo matige ngucanio na marutire muingi wira.